Hello students, today we are going to see Unit 4 in Farm Tractor subject. Topic of the Unit 4 is hydraulic systems. So there are so many topics in this unit. So hydraulic system, we are going to see what is hydraulic system and its working principles, 3-point linkage, draft control, weight transfer, theory of traction, tractive efficiency, tractor chases mechanics, stability, longitudinal and lateral, controls, visibility and operator seats. These are the topics which are covered in the hydraulic system. So then we are going to see what is hydraulic system. So hydraulic system, it is a mechanism in a tractor to rise, hold or lower a mounted or semi-mounted equipment by hydraulic means. All the tractors are equipped with hydraulic control system for operating the 3-point hitch of the tractor. So working principle, coming to the working principle, so it works on the principle based on the Pascal's law. So this law states that the pressure applied to an enclosed fluid is transmitted equally in all the directions. So a small force acting on small area can produce a higher force on a surface of larger area. So then this is the Pascal's law schematic diagram. And this is a schematic diagram of hydraulic system. So then coming to the hydraulic components, the hydraulic system consists of all the following components. So pump, motor, valves, lines and connections, heat exchanger, that is supply tank, accumulator, stored energy, the energy stored in the accumulator, and controls, fluid, actuators and filters. So operation of the hydraulic system. So the hydraulic pump draws up oil from the oil reservoir and sends it to the control valve under high pressure. From the control valve, the oil goes to the hydraulic cylinder to operate the piston, which in turn raises the lifting arms. The lifting arms are attached with the implements. The hydraulic pump is operated by the suitable gears connected with the engine. So there are two types of arrangements for storing the hydraulic oil in the system. So there is a common oil reservoir for hydraulic system and the transmission system in some tractors. There is a special tank for hydraulic oil. It is separate from the transmission chamber. So coming to the component pump, there are several types of hydraulic pump, such as the gear pump, plunger pump, vane pump, screw pump. So gear pump is widely used in the tractors. So gear pump can flow a bigger amount of oil compared to the plunger pump and other pumps. Its pressures varies from the 150 to 200 kg per centimeter square, and this spur gear pump is normally used on tractor hydraulic systems of lower pressure. The spur gear, the internal gear pump, the gerotor gear pump and the vane type pump and are all used on the tractor hydraulic systems where lower pressures are used. So coming to the motor, the pumps and motors are often similar and can sometimes be interchanged in their purpose. The simplest type of pump or motor is a hydraulic cylinder. So hydraulic cylinder is a bigger size cylinder fitted with a piston and a connecting rod. It also called a ram cylinder. So it transmits the power from the piston to the lifting arms, and also piston moves in the hydraulic cylinder and causes a reciprocating motion in the cylinder. The lifting arms are raised by the hydraulic pressure while raising the implement, but it is lowered by its own weight. So hydraulic tank, it is used for storing the hydraulic oil for the system. In some tractors, the transmission chamber itself works as a hydraulic tank, and same oil is used for transmission system as well as hydraulic system. So in some tractors, a separate tank is there for the hydraulic oil. So coming to the valves, the purpose of valves in a hydraulic system are so many. So the type and design are dependent largely upon the valve's purpose. So some of the more common types of valves are control valve, pressure valve, reducing valve, priority and relief valve. So these are all about the introduction of the hydraulic system and its components. Thank you.